Yes. So I think the live editor window is open from my end. I think you're all able to see that from your end, I think, right? Okay, so I have just written a small code. I have just written a very small code which is clear to everyone. We are just going to plot a sine wave. So as I have the given the command CLC, CLC is clearing my command window. Clear all is clearing all the workspace variables. Close all is I'm going to close all the opened windows if any. And see, I assume I'm going to plot. Uh, I'm going to plot a sine wave of frequency. I'm writing comment. Okay, I'm going to plot a sine wave of frequency 1000 hertz or 1 kilohertz. The time period is going to be 1/1000 is 1 millisecond. So see here, I am going to vary the time from 0 to 5 millisecond, and this is going to be the increment value. 0.01 millisecond is the increment value over which the time axis is divided. And I am giving a sine wave. General expression for sine wave is A sine omega t. Omega is 2 pi f. And I told you the frequency what I am going to fix here is 1000 hertz. So 2 pi ft, f is 1000 and the time variable. And I am plotting. So you know that the time period of sine wave is 1 millisecond. So if you are plotting till 5 millisecond, you should get 5 cycles of your sine wave. I'll run this code again for you so that you might have a better picture of how the sine wave is coming. See here. So you get perfect sine wave with 5 cycles. See, one complete cycle of sine wave takes 1 millisecond for completion. See here, 0 to 1 millisecond. You see the one sine wave is completed. Since our time is from 0 to 5 millisecond, so you can clearly see 5 full cycles of sine wave are completed. So initially, when you start writing MATLAB code, you will not get the sine wave perfectly. What could be the reason? What could be the reason? The number of divisions you take on the time axis is going to be the key. So if you divide the time axis by larger number of points, the sine wave will be accurate. See here, I'm just giving 1 millisecond, 0 to 5 millisecond. I'm just giving 1 millisecond. The code will work, but see how the sine wave will look like. It's looking like a straight line because I just have 5 values in my time axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.